Oh my fucking god, time for a new vlog. How are we doing today, guys? Alright, so today, kind of really have, kind of a mohawk. Kind of a little bad hair, fucking little JoJo, little fairy, little tooth little thingy. I really don't know why, but my hair, oh, it's being a bitch right now. Anyways, alright, really haven't vlogged in, has it been a week? Really? Has it really been that long? Holy shitballs! A lot of shit has actually happened in the past week. Let's see, YouTube is kind of broken. It's removing subscribers that are not inactive. But then again, you know, it's really 50-50 because a lot of people are saying they are getting removed, some are. Me personally, to all the people that I'm subscribed to on YouTube, I really haven't been removed at all. But then again, I do get, you know, quite a few PMs from you guys saying, hey, I subscribed to your channel last week, and now it says I'm no longer subscribed to your channel. So that kind of raises some questions to YouTube, but they are being non-compliant dickheads right now. So anyways, we gotta talk about RuneScape. Let's see. About 100,000 EXP till 85 magic. Really kind of magicking my balls, or magically my balls. I don't even know how that... It doesn't work like fletching, but seriously, if you guys ever hear me say that I'm getting 99 magic, then you have my permission to fucking kick my ass. Well, you know, willingly. Reason being is because the skill is evil. It was created by Satan, and, it just has literally sucked my balls into a black hole for about a month. Because it really has been about a month, and I can't fucking believe it's been about a month. So therefore, magic, you can go and fuck yourself. Tomorrow I should have my, little Gano, little Ganji, little, what do you call that? Gonorrhea armor? The armor that has a 55% magic absorb. So when you face Jag, you can basically not even worry about magic, because it absorbs magic armor, or magic attacks. Even though my luck, there would probably be a glitch, and Jad will probably still kill me, even though I'm praying range. Oh boy. Anyways, alright, so that's pretty much about it. Fucking uploaded a new fucking shit-up video yesterday. Going to be uploading a new RuneScape video fairly shortly for little Sunday's little hooblar, little hamana, joy, happy, joy shit. As for my Walking Dead, I think I only have like 2 more videos to upload on my gaming channel. If you are following that series, if you are not, then it doesn't concern you. Yeah, that's pretty much about it for some major updates and shit like that about my happy asshole. Alrighty then, but today we're going to be talking about something that is supposedly coming out next week, which is the Queen Black Dragon, supposedly. There's actually a lot of talk on the forums, and there's actually a lot of talk in my friends' chat. Yes, I actually do go into my friends' chat. That's for whatever reason, I really don't, you see, it's kind of fucking, I really don't know if it's noise or just, you know, my brain kind of talking to me, but if I don't say something in vlogs for a while, then I tend to get asked one question a little more than the other question. It's like, for example, if I don't remind you guys that I go in my friends' chat, then I get a lot of PMs, or rather private messages on YouTube, and questions in general, basically saying, do you have a friends chat? Yes, of course I have a fucking friends chat. I've had one for the past 4 motherfucking years. Even though that Jagex has, you know, altered the friends chat, basically because, well, they made it look, you know, it's used to be a clan chat, now it's a friends chat, but probably someday it will go back to being a clan chat. Anyways, alright, so basically Queen Black Dragon, supposedly is coming out next week along with a new dragon item. Woohoo! What dragon item do we think it will be? Dragon Kite Shield? Dragon Crossbow? You know, I wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't the Dragon Crossbow, or if it wasn't the Dragon Kite Shield. I would probably most likely, you see, I'm expecting something totally fucking out of the ordinary, or not out of the ordinary, Like I'm expecting there to be like maybe like dragon cannonballs or some shit like that. Something that is fucking retarded. Oh boy, if there was dragon cannonballs, that would be fucking hilarious. Because then there would have to be rune cannonballs. But then, you could probably make rune cannonballs and all the way down to, the bare bottom. But you really never know. I mean, Jagex could randomly just say, hey, fuck you guys, we're going to make some dragon cannonballs. Or we could just make some, like, dragon nails for your house. I know they have rune nails for your house. Pretty sure they have rune nails, runite nails. It would be pretty funny if they have dragon nails. So, yeah, I mean, that's always a possibility. But, supposedly the Queen Black Dragon is going to be the most epic boss fight ever, from a quote from Jagex. I don't really know how, since it's a fucking dragon that's going to be bigger than the King Black Dragon. The King Black Dragon has how many heads? 3 heads. So the Queen Black Dragon may only have 1 head, but be bigger than the Corporal Beast, or higher level than the... Well, actually, Nex is the highest. Is it Nex, or is it Jad? You see, I always get them mixed up as being which one is the highest combat. It's one of those 3 fucknuts, okay? Whichever one of those goddamn fucknuts have the highest combat level, supposedly the Queen Black Dragon is going to be more powerful. Which I really don't see how, but, it kind of is. So, look forward to that. I know I am, along with my little gonorrhea armor and shit like that. Maybe you can only enter the layer with only, like, 1 weapon. You never really know how Jagex is really going to rig it and stuff. But that's pretty much about it. That's just the major little updates. Ooh, my hair looks so fucked up. I need to take a goddamn shower. Actually, you see, I never use hair gel, but once I take a shower, my hair kind of evens out. So, yeah. Alright, guys, but like I said, going to be uploading new video to my main channel. Tomorrow, probably going to make a pure video, because I actually want to do a lot of shit on my Bungus account. And, yeah, that's pretty much about it. Also going to be uploading some more gaming videos and an IRL video. But, right now, I want to go to my email address. If you have some happy hooba questions from motherfuckers, ask numbershahu.com, and I'm going to use, because if you do, well, your hair will stand up and will kind of be like a mohawk, which is really not a good time. First hooba question: do you ever wonder if RuneScape would be like real? What the fuck? Alright, sorry. This question is worded all kind of jiggly. Did you ever wonder if real life was like RuneScape? Okay. Example. You would be your own character. Ours username, Perfect Toast. I would love to have a perfect piece of toast, because whenever I make a piece of toast, I either, burn it a little. It's never perfect, goddammit. Alright, if RuneScape was real life, I think this individual was asking me if RuneScape was real life, how would it be like, or something. If RuneScape was real life, it would suck. It would basically be like fucking communism. It would be like living in Nazi Germany, because you would have your lifestyle being changed constantly, even though you don't want it being changed constantly. You would wake up every single day and you would find new shit disappearing, new shit reappearing, new shit being added to your life, to the world. So yeah, what I mean by communism, I basically mean by, like, you don't really have free will. You can't really do anything you really want to do, even though RuneScape is an RP or RPG, kind of open RPG. Jagex ultimately controls if your character wants to, put on a pair of pants. I mean, they control it, goddammit. You don't. But anyways, guys, if you got anything for me, you can leave a nasty, dirty little comment, and I'll see you motherfuckers tomorrow. Bye!